Hi! Welcome to Super Serious Cooking. This week, we're going to look at this egg. What are we going to do with it? Egg things. Okay, we got some grease in our pan. What we want to do now is take our egg, crack it, and then we are going to... Oh, we got some shell. Oh my goodness. This is going poorly already. Okay, so as our egg cooks, we've got 2 slices of bread. We're going to toast. No, we're not. We got to put the electricity in. Okay, now we're going to toast. Our bread's popped from the toaster. We're going to throw some avocado oil. Basil on there. There's our egg. It looks like it's ready to be flipped. Our egg is cooked to our satisfaction. We're going to put it on that pan right there. Okay, so we're making an egg sandwich or a breakfast sandwich. What are other things that go well with egg? Well, I'd say an egg waffle goes pretty well with eggs. Let's put that on that side. Now, what goes well with egg waffles? Berries. Berries go well with egg waffles. So what goes well with egg waffles and berries? Sausage. Sausages go well. What goes well with sausages? French toast. French toast goes well. And if you got French toast, a little maple syrup. What goes well with French toast? Hash brown. Hash brown goes well. You know what goes well with hash browns? Ketchup. Hash browns usually are accompanied by bacon. And if you have bacon, well, you might as well have an egg. There are all our layers of a breakfast sandwich. I was going to put cereal in this, but apparently, bad idea. Whatever. Doesn't matter. It's good enough as is. Okay, thanks for watching Super Serious Cooking. This week we used an egg and we made a breakfast sandwich with it. That's pretty exciting that we didn't make a lunch sandwich or a dinner sandwich, but we made breakfast. Catch us next week. Who knows? We might progress past breakfast.